Hello everyone, welcome back. Previously, we checked out Fever Part 1, and it was pretty good. Go check that out if you haven't. So today we're moving on to Fever Part 2, but the title track of it, Fireworks, or in brackets, I'm the One. I don't know, I guess it has two names, whatever you prefer, Fireworks or I'm the One. Before we get into this, I was told to not get surprised about Mingy being not present. I was told that I think he was on hiatus or something. I might be confused on exactly what happened, but I was just told don't be shocked that he's not present in this. So let's start. There's our beautiful new intro. Actually, when does this come out? Sorry, 1 second before it starts. I actually want to see the release. March 1st, 2021. Okay. So it's like over half a year since Fever Part 1. What? What am I getting into? Oh. Drunk fools. Hold on. Couldn't Yo sung this early? Shoutouts. So I'm a bit too distracted on this guy's body. San. Nope. Roll it back. Pink hair San. We still have red hair Jungho. That didn't change. Oh, Mingy is in this. Oh, but he's not there. He's still in the song though. Okay. We're far from wannabes. Drunk but not drunk. Songwell looks incredible in this. This guy's body. Bunoria. What does that even mean? But Young, this guy. You already know what my feelings are for him. Look at this scenery. So it's kind of like a MADMAX kind of feel. My man. Oh, I love his hair here. What is even going on? Thumb? Look at it. What did he say? What is even the lyrics? We're gonna make a fire like a Mateo. Who's Mateo? I guess Mateo makes fires. I don't know. I love the choreo per usual. Not surprised. Oh, the scenery. Oh. Okay. This shot right here reminds me of Inception. Of course, remember Jungho in front of the basketball net that was on fire? I think it was on fire, right? This guy Jungho in his red fit, red hair, in front of fire constantly. Looks. Oh my! Look at this shot. All this build up. This man loves Aura Farm. He knows what he is. He knows what he looks like. Wait, whoa, there's the most beautiful thing ever. I hear both Minky and Hongjun rapping with Jungho's vocal in the back. This is the most beautiful thing ever. It's a great build-up. His guns? They got red fits! All of them. Yuna over here. For the choreo. I gotta check all their dance practices. All of them. It's like, check out my abs in case you missed it. Oh no! Before no, I'd want to hear a to be continued. I want to appreciate what I'm looking at right now. Yosang Center, by the way, reminds me of Thanks. Thanks had multiple Yosang. Didn't have like at the end of a chorus. He's the one that ends it off. This is oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! Like mafia bosses. That's what they look like. Is that the next song? And by the way, that guy again, I'm sorry, I'm going back constantly. But this guy's important to the lore, right? He first appeared in Answer, and he's been appearing ever since. Okay. So talking about this song, what's the most replayed part? This is the most replayed part. Oh my god, bro. Are we surprised? Not even the chorus. The chorus isn't the most replayed part. It's San. Look, I'm sorry. I should not be doing this right now, staring. And you know, I don't want to stare. And then the final chorus, of course, that bro. This guy's San. He is so cool, and he knows it. He knows who he is. Okay. This song, it was very epic. Okay, song wise, when it comes to listening, it's not my favorite, but I could definitely appreciate it, especially the choreo. Like, even if it's a song I don't like, the choreo is always like 10 out of 10. You know, they never fail at that. I'm not saying I don't like the song. In fact, I really enjoy it. This is like one of those songs I need to listen to over and over again. And I could definitely get into it, but my god, I see you young. They popped off. The scenery of that video, by the way, had like a MADMAX post-apocalyptic feel to it. Songhwa was wielding weapons, by the way. Okay. You know, was driving his car. I saw that. Yeah, I really enjoyed the video actually, but if you enjoy this video, consider leaving a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.